Shri Sai Ram. How are you, students? How you spend your holidays? I am your PT teacher Anil. Stay at home. Be safe. Take care of your health. Take care of your parents. Do some activities. Now your online classes are beginning. I am also doing online class of physical education of theory part. In the theory part, in part 2, there is a theory part. In that lesson number 1, physical education and objects of physical education. The lesson number 1, physical education and objectives of physical education. Physical education is an education that takes place through physical effort and activities. Physical education means it is a physical effort and activities. You are doing activities in the physical education period. Physical education attempts to make a person complete all-round development. Physical education make a person all-round development. There is a popular sayings, only strong people can build a strong nation. Only strong people can lead a happy life. No achievement is possible for the weak. Who can build a strong nation? Only strong people can build a strong nation. Only strong people can lead a happy life. Some objectives are there. First point, to enhance the physical, mental and social health of student. Physical education enhance the physical, mental and social health of the students. Second one, physical education to inculcate right social feelings to concern and attitude. It inculcates right social feelings. It gives social feelings. Physical education gives social feelings of concern, attitude. To ensure better coordination between nerves and muscles through physical exercise and healthy activities. By doing physical activities, you can ensure a better coordination between nerves and muscles. It gives better coordination and healthy activities. Fourth one, to develop leadership quality in students. Physical education gives a leadership qualities. By playing, you can make a leader. By that, you can build a leadership. So, it develops leadership qualities in students. Physical education motivates students to spend their leisure time usefully. Leisure time. Leisure time means now you are in home. In the evening time, you can get a leisure time, free time. At least half an hour you can play. By that you can build a strong physique. So it motivates students to spend their leisure time. To provide entertainment and relaxation. It gives entertainment. Physical education, in the field you can play. By playing you can give by entertainment to you and to others. It gives relaxation also. Physical education, by playing you can get relaxation. 7th point. Physical education develop a good physique and thereby an attractive posture. Physical education develop a good physique. You can get a good physique, thereby an attractive posture. The players are getting attractive posture by playing time. So, play at least half an hour every day. By every day you can play any games you can play. It improves 8th point, to improve knowledge and skills required to play games and sports. It improve the knowledge and skills of the play games and sports. It gives knowledge. Physical education gives, by playing you can get knowledge of skills of various games and sports. 9th point, to inculcate values of discipline, self-control and a sense of duty. Physical education inculcate values of discipline, self-control and sense of duty. It gives, physical education means discipline. It gives full of discipline, values of discipline. It gives self-control. By playing you can get self-control and sense of duty. Tenth point, to develop community feelings like mutual adjustment, cooperation and national integrity. Physical education develop community feelings and community feelings like mutual adjustment, cooperation between the people, and it gives national integrity also. Another point, physical education provides concentration, peace of mind. Physical education gives concentration. It provides full of concentration, peace of mind and sense of morality through asanas, pranayama and by meditation, by doing meditation. To create understanding of the significance of balanced diet and first aid. Physical education creates understanding of significance of balanced diet and first aid. It gives a significance of balanced diet. Always by playing you can get your good health. Next point, to create awareness about personal health and hygiene. Physical education create awareness about personal health and hygiene. So these are the objectives. So physical education gives enhance physical, mental and social health of the students. It inculcates social feelings of concern, attitude. Ensure better coordination between nerves and muscles. It develops leadership qualities by motivate students to spend their leisure time visually. It provides entertainment and relaxation. It develops a good physique and an attractive posture. It improves your knowledge of sports and games. It gives, by playing you can improve your skills of games. It inculcates values of discipline, self-control, sense of duty. These are the objectives of physical education.